Are you completely tired of these massive, annoying ads and trackers cluttering up your Roku home screen? Roku doesn't let you install ad blockers, but what if I told you there is a free 2-minute secret to wipe them out completely without hacking your TV? We are going to block these ads at the source, your Wi-Fi network. I am using my Asus router for this, but this works on almost every network. Just log into your router or open your internet provider's mobile app like the Xfinity, AT&T or Spectrum app. Look for the setting called Parental Controls, Website Blocking or URL Filter. Once you find that setting, you just need to add these 4 secret Roku tracking domains to your block list. Link to ads.roku.com, link to trc.roku.com, link to amoeba.web.roku.com, and link to scribe.logs.roku.com. Once you add them, just hit apply. Now your network is blocking the ads, but we need to delete the old ones saved on your TV. Grab your Roku remote and press this exact sequence: home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. Your TV will freeze, reboot and clear its cache. When it turns back on, boom! A completely clean, ad-free home screen. Plus, your Roku will actually run much faster now because it's not constantly downloading trackers in the background. Just a quick heads up to keep it real with you guys, this trick permanently blocks home screen banners and trackers. But it will not block commercial breaks inside apps like YouTube or Hulu, since those are built directly into the video streams. If you have trouble finding the block list setting on your specific router, drop your router brand in the comments and I'll help you out. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.